Tipra Sharoni Zungzali Gogno Daily Habang Kanarana Baga Shangrong Shalo. Tipra Motani Supremo Bagara Prodit Kisur Mani Titul Mumbai. Razakoraglina Strabal Tono Klawa Klaizaka 1 North East Tanzareli. Ashani 1 North East Tanzareli no support client Baga Astrabal Tono Klawa Manzaka 1 North East Nijota Marok.
Nini wan song no chung go we khulai na Chani phamba basate hansa korang tisara hansa ya prishela hansa ke
Chicago Shakaja Tomar Hakan 27 November Shalmaru Razakor Agolin Astabot Noklau Klaizaka 1 North East Rally. Ashali Rally Sangzaka to promote and Supreme Bagra Protokishur Debromani to Idil Mumbai. Apandano, Nikolka, White Year Adam Rock. Arosh Hadakala, Lighten Kisasuk Shal Chicago Klaizang and Tomani to promote and Koto Rally. Piavakasara Goshu Mani and Baga Adeli Klaizaglia. Abonikasara Bagra Protokishur Debromani, Manjapungo Klaizamani 1 North East. 1 North East Namzaman Yaglo Obonopulia Tirpra Hasto Klaizaka 1 North East Hamcha Rally. Aurelino support client and Baga Hasto Faishoka Meghalaya and CM Karnat Shangma Nagaleni former minister Monholong Kinkon Dima Hauso People Party Formi founder Daniel Langthansa Darjeeling ni Ajay Edward Manipur former minister Hemuchandra Singh RK Megan senior leader of Manipur James PK Sangma president of NPP Meghalaya Abahakan Ashani Thansareli Omanjaka TTADC chairman Jagadish Debroma CM Purnachandra Jamatia Montri Onimes Debroma Montri Bishita to Debroma Nokobui the promoter is the MDC EMT MLA Song Ashani 1 North East Thansareli no to Kok Shanan Tangi TTADC chairman Jagadish Debroma Shaka
to Rangsakhani Khapang Tok de Buk Jong Tini Chini Khorong ni team Faisok Pajak Razakhar Agolini Astobol Thung Noklawa Tiprahani Lukurok Jotono Saimono Tini ni Shaltamo Tini Shal Belanyo Kotor Haste Ganangai Kereng Thani Kami Amsani Joto Tiprasa Lukurok Tini Razakhar Agolio o Astobol Thung Noklawa Bobagrani Ringzak Bai Bobagrani Ringma Bai Haste Kerengai Joto Lukurok Tiprasa Amsani Borok Jotono Paine Tini Razakhar Agolino o Astobol Thung Noklawa Bobagrani Thansono Logirna Bai Phailajak Oba Hakino Chung Saimanka Sekango Jora Saklajak Tungma Hakino 1 North East Foundation in Joto North East ni leaders of Bahaino Fai Sok Pajak Tini Chini Tipra Hastewo Ramso Kahani Chung Tabuk TTADC ni chairman Chini Sar Jagadish Manfika Sir Saikana Gari Tini Omas Gathering Sengnugu iman kami bahane kema challenges ni bisingo success khai punu kachin tipra sikla ro opan no ngan thangai oba ke 1 North East Foundation ni joto members chief minister phaitongo Meghalaya ni oba kema leaders sok pajak bomsak jorati impact sokunya central government thani je chini tipra sa accord of implement khajana ni bagai
Trini stable ground 1 North East unity ekota okkota Bini basic nahar mungka Jeng Tiprani problem Tiprani basic demand Cheng Tiprani Cheng Simino Tiprasa Simino Bonoti Toba Claytongo movement Claytongo Megaloy Rock Simiti problem raise Kaitongo Bonoti movement Kaitongo Assamni Bohaino Assamni Borok Simino Oroni Netitorok Oroni Rajniti Bodol Rock problem Neti movement Kaitongo Abang Bongi Boys race Kaitongo Amteke Nine Amini Kabangma problem rock central government abono ঠিক ভাবে খাইয়াং মানে जों नुकजागो ताबुक चिनि मूल अबो नाइमानि इंका जों नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि जत सन ऑफ द सॉइल जे तंगनाय रक चिनि त्रिपुरानि प्रॉब्लम जों और सेपारेट स्टेट मा खायनाय मेघालय नि डेवलपमेंट मणिपुर नि बंगनि ओन डिमांड बंगनि ओन बेसिक जे पॉइंट पॉलिटिशियन त्रिपुरालैंड नो मेघालय नि बरक आसाम नि बरक अपोज खायगलाक मेघालय नि जे नांगकमनि डिमांड जों त्रिपुरानि बरक अपोज खायगलाक काजै ताबुक जों बै सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जे कासा एकॉर्ड खायमानि मो एकॉर्ड तो तनो तंगो अबनि परिबो मेघालय नि बरक त्रिपुरासानि सेपारेट स्टेट नो सपोर्ट खायनाय मिजोराम नि बरक त्रिपुरासानि थिनांगो चिनि फ्यूचर नो चिनि बुसाबुति नि भविष्यत सिक्योरिटी होनानै बगै वी रिक्वायर त्रिपुरालैंड अपनो मिजोराम नि बरक मेघालय नि बरक मणिपुर नि बरक अरुणाचल नि बरक बो अरुण नेतृत्व सपोर्ट खायनाय अर्थात चिनि खरांनो तेबो थानचाकै जों तिसाना बगैनो अपनो जोंतिनि खायदों एवं अब बेलेखे नांगकमानि अपनो तयै सारा त्रिपुरानि बरक नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि बरक ताबुक बेलेखे तंथलायजाक ताबुक जों चेंमाबा आंखा खायो चिनि मो जे स्टेप अब बेलायखे थिनांगो चिनि अरनि सान ऑफ द सॉइल नि मेघालयनि सान ऑफ द सॉइल नि मिजोरामनि सान ऑफ द सॉइल नि बंनि जत किसु माते सकता अब इम्प्लिमेंटिंग नै अब अचीवमेंट फाइनाय
आशालो क्लाइजामनि वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट थामचा रेलिनते कक्साका मंत्री अनिमेश देब्रमाते एमएलए रंजित देब्रमा
so haino hai cheng tabuk chini tipra mothani koroksa forest minister chini sar onimes debroi malaka bini khokdi busang saiman lane sir chung nugui manka o tini ni o mass gathering engna tongmani 7 november abon yaglo postpone khaimang tini 27 november engna tongmabo jorani bisingo astobol thungna kholar jagliya guma challenges face khai tongo abono tei tam sana musung lukorok no tini o mass gathering bahai no
challenges tongnai he challenges no লড়াই খাইনো जों मा थांनाय हेचे तिनिनि जनसभा खूब सक्सेस जोंनाय এবং ওয়ান নর্থ ইস্ট ওয়ান ভয়েস দি বাগै तिनि अरो जत नर्थ इस्ट नि बरम गोनां लिडार जब फायनाय बर कक रक नारगनाय चिनि हास्तेनि लिडार जब कक नारगनाय हेचे এবং चिनि थिनांनो मथांना बागैनो जों थांनान बागैनो म चबा हेचे जों नुखा गोबां मामते शक्ति फायो कमाओ चिना हाव बोसों नुखायचे गोबां मा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फायो कमाई थांगो किंतु कमालाया तो यहचे ताबो हास्तेव सिमी तंगे सारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट बाइकलाई जों थानसाखलाई चिनि नॉर्थ ईस्ट नो सेफगार्ड रनि अमनो म गैदरिंग नि नाहारमु
सर कॉक्सिस से मोम है बताऊं जे वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट फाउंडेशन जे फॉर्म वन या गुलो तिनी नॉर्थ ईस्ट ने कबो मा लीडर्स ऑफ फाइट इवन मेघालय नि चीफ मिनिस्टर ओबा के जो स्टेट्स ने बरो फाइट अब न तै करक बरो पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटजी हेने नासो जे बस कंगे एडिस इलेक्शन तो मने बगे हमन बाकी फिर मुंग नै
पॉलिटिकल बुई तो सानाय म पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटजी मनो स्ट्रेटजी किंतु स्ट्रेटजी तो हामियानि बागी याबला थांनानि बागी स्ट्रेटजी खाइमानि जाम सो थांनानि स्ट्रेटजी नलो तांगे हामिया हन्नाय बाइचे दिस स्ट्रेटजी इज फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल
सत्ता के सुंगमंग अंके तिनी नि ओ जे मास गैदरिंग नि यागलो जे ट्राइपार्टाइट एग्रीमेंट तंगरो अब हागे कुमा एकॉर्ड साइन खाजे तंगरो अब बुसु जरते सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट थानि प्रेशर रजाक तै इम्प्लीमेंट खाने बगे थांनो आगि
जों सिमि सानो ताबो पाल मिलि साननाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चिनि ककमा खनानाय हेते खरकसा सानना बाय खरकगा साननानि फेरो हेचे सो सारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि बरगनो जतन डिमांड नो सपोर्ट खलाइलिनि
लास्ट ताबो लुकरम न फाइट न लुकरम ताम को कचारनाय तिनि ने ओपानन तिनि
थानसामा तंगनाय डिसिप्लिनो मा तंगनाय चेन ऑफ लीडरशिप नि कमांडो मा तंगनाय डिसिप्लिन सारा थानसा बैसिमिंगया थानसा ती डिसिप्लिन नांनाय स्ट्रेटेजि नां जों अरो मा दंनै
आमसो हायनो हाय ताबुक जों राजाखर थं आरो आस्तबल थं नखलाव हायनो फाइमान काचिनि एमएलए सारनजित जों बावैबो सोंलायन बावैबो साइमान लाइन तिनिनो त्रिपुरा मथनि जे रेली वान नर्थ इस्ट फाउंडेशन जत नर्थ इस्ट लिडार्स फाइ सकाय दङ बा सकाय जाक बाक्साथ बाहाय मा दं मिया बाहायनो आस्तबल थं नखलानो जरानि बिसिङाव रजागलिया बेलाय जरा कम बिसिङाव हरदि बर वाइटिएफ नि वारियर रक जत त्रिपुरा सासिकला रक अरो फाइलाइनि हरदि बरखे बरक तांलाके सनामलाके सक्सेस खाइया अबनो तै बुमता हाय मा दं तिनिनि अ पान्डा बुसु जतै खरं सगैनो सेन्ट्रल गभर्नमेन्ट थानि
खोनादि अ जे थानसानि जे रेली एबा वान नर्थ इस्ट नि जे रेली अमनो कासुनानि बागे गोबां मा जायतक जाखा जों 7 तारिख नभेम्बर मनतयै जों आरो पारमिशन साकालु कुथुम खायनानि बागे रिजागलिया 15 तारिख न नायखा 15 तारिख रिजागलिया 27 तारिख तिनि जे खायनानि अमनबो कन्डिशन न रिवै जोंना खलाय जाखा अरो सुकल काइसे मेला खलायै अरो जे कासुइतनि जाखा मिया हर पर्यन्त बरक आबनो खलक पाया हेकाय चिंगर पारमिशन निखा अथस अरो मेला खायरि तो निखा तार माने न ताम जों बुजि खाबा माने अ थानसा जे नर्थ इस्ट जे ना थां दं माने अमनो कासुनानि बागै चाइतक जागै दंगो कारण चिनि बुबाग्रा एवं मेघालयनि चीफ मिनिस्टार मिस्टर कनट सांमा अ थानसा अंकनो नर्थ इस्ट न खायनानि बागै जे चाइतक दं माने आबनो बरक मकलक लाइखा का आंखा खलायाव तिनि अ थानसा जे नर्थ इस्ट अमनो फुनुंनानि बागै जे आगरतला कुथुम पान्दा जों कटनमा खलाय दंगो अमनि बा अमबाय तिनि एमन मेसेज थांगोनो त्रिपुरा ताई गोटा नर्थ इस्ट अम कासे मेसेज थाना एवं दिल्ली नबो साइरिनाय जोंनि मान थाइनो नर रियाखै जों नर्थ इस्ट थानसांखा एवं जों थानसाखायनो जों बरं नबो मेसेज ना नायो अबनो तिनि आगुलिनि बिसिंथै आगुलिति खाय जों अ मेसेज न तिनि रिनानि थाङै दंगो एवं गोटा नर्थ इस्ट आं खाख्लायो तिनिनि अ लुकुथुम पान्दानि बिसिंथिनो सोलायजाक्ति इंगै थाङानो एवं लुकुरक तावाइसा थानसाव फायै निजिनि मानथाय निजिनि हानि बागै निजिनि दफानि बररंनि बागै सवाव खा गोस्रांगै बसावै बसकांगो आगगै फायनाय होनै आं खाख्लायता
सर काइसा अमहाय कक बा आवै मुंगै दङ जे बिसि ब्रुम ब्रुम दा मुंसा अमहाय एडिसि इलेक्शन सामो हाय बा लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्बलिनि इलेक्शन बा महाय जरा रगनो त्रिपुरा लोकरंनो आमसानि रिं हरैनि अमहाके राजखर आगलि तुबुइनै पलिटिकल एजेन्डानि मुंगै अमहाके आइडियोलॉजी कारिवै बरक ककसिल चामुसिल जाय दङ अबहा अमरंग बागि ककसिल मुखनै
बरक जे ककसिल चामनि ककसाका बरक टाङै खाइमेया बरक टाङै खाइमेया नाइदि जों आरो जे आदिबासी गौरव दिवस जनजाति गौरव दिवस जे खाइजाखा जों किन्तु आबनो बिरोधिता खाया खुमुलंग काहामखाय न खलायचा किन्तु जों आगरतला खायनानै थांगांजाखाय तांगै अम तांगै केबें मुं आसायरि जाखा तांगै केबें मुं आसायरि जाखा आनि ककटा हेकाय जों अरो तो कसं कायसे जों खायनानै आगिव अरो आगरतलावो गोबां मा जों अरो रेली खायगा कोनो पार्टी मुंकरै मते रेली तो जों इलेक्शन फायकेन जे खायो अब ककया जों इलेक्शन खायो इलेक्शन खायोबो खाय दंगो चिनि कायसा एजेन्डा तै जों खलाय दंगो हिंकाय जों सेन्ट्रल गभर्नमेन्ट बाय त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट ताई त्रिपुरा मथा कथाव जों कायसा त्रिपाक्षिक एकटा एकर्ड दंखा अ एकर्ड दंमोन तिनि 20 मास संगै थांखा बिसिकनि काते कातिं दंखा किन्तु अब इमप्लिमेन्ट खालायनो बागै कोनो या पेरिरम जायगा
6 मास बिसिं इमप्लिमेन्ट खायो
जों दिल्लीआव थांखा दिल्ली थांखै सावाबो स्टेट कक सालाय खालायजांनाय इसिदा फाय कक साका अब दिल्ली नाय दंगो का अमति हायकेनो जोंनो विभिन्न बाबे खायै तिनि जों नुखा जे अर 20 मास लाइरिखा किन्तु जों तो चिनि मानथायनि बागै जोंखौ सानब्ले चिनि रेडि होनै जों तो आरो संविधाननि बायरे तो जों कोन साइन चिनि मानथायनि बायरे कोन जों ताम सानकाबा लैंड राइट्स पॉलिटिकल राइट्स चिनि कल्चरल डेभलपमेन्टनि कक्से जों साबलेना का अब तांगै रियाबा तिनि बोरोलेण्ड तो जुदि बर लैंड राइट्स माने सामंताय तंमानो तिनि नि डिमासारक माने तंगो काकाय ता अन्य अटोनोमास डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउन्सिलनि बर मान तंग जों त्रिपुरा हास्तेनि चिन तितियादिसिनि लुकरक तां मायांगनाबा अ राइट्स जों तां मायांगनानि कमो तो संविधान फातारया संविधान बिसिंगो एवं टीटीएडीसी मन 2022 सन काउन्सिल बिल पास खाइ रहजाका तिनिसे पॉइंट आबने कोनो गवर्नमेंट एप्रूव रिजाग्या हयतो नों आबनो जुदि बुल तुरितंखा एडिशन थान फिरक रहदि आर जुदि बुल तुरितंखा एप्रूव खाइ गवर्नर थाने रहदि के तांगै रिजाग्याबा तांगै रिजाग्या गवर्नमेंट हिंका तिनि जों अमतिखे जोंनो थों दंगो हिनैना जों गोटा नर्थ इस्ट শুধু ত্রিপুরা সিমি থংজাगिया गटा नर्थ इस्टनि इन्डिजिनियास पिपलनो थंजागो के आबोनि बागैनो जों दिनै थानसा खालायो चिनि मानथायनि कगनो सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्ट सानानि बागै दिल्ली गभर्नमेन्ट सानानि बागै जों दिनै आरो थानसा उंखा के आबोनि बागैनो अ थानसानि खरांनो दिनै आगरतला आस्ताबलनि नखालानो हयते सारा नर्थ इस्ट जों रहनाय एवं जों इन्डिया गभर्नमेन्ट माने सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्टबो जों मेसेज दिनाय नायदि चिनि मानथायनि बागै जों जतन थानसांगै दङ चिनि मानथायनो नरक दातिरिदि उयाखाय नर्थ इस्ट सभा कटर उंनाय हिनै जों मेसेज ना नायता
Abahaikan asalni thansa reli no tei chini khorang bai kok sanan thange bubagra produk shute brungna thaka jeng thansa ke khorang ti shaka hamke deliwa thangai sobainai chini o khorang aboni bagino tini o thansa reli hinai
Bubagra, recently we have seen that the program was scheduled to be organized on 7th of this month. However, the government has rescheduled the day of the organization. And recently, yesterday also, they have somehow bring some challenges to decorate all this in this Maidan. So what will be the impact for today's gathering that will address the central government based on the Tiprasa Accord and One Foundation perspective?
I have my friend Conrad Sangma, I have Mulumo Kikon, I have R.K. Megan, I have Hem Chandra Singh, I have Daniel Langthasa. I've got so many people talking on behalf of our people. और अगर हम लोग ने एक आवाज़ में एक ही बात किया तो दिल्ली को हमको सीरियस लेना पड़ेगा. अकेला फाइट करेंगे तो अकेला हारेंगे, एक संग फाइट करेंगे तो चांस है जीतने का. एंड इसी के लिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
Your Highness, the BJP
हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन कितने बार भी रोके, हम लोग को जो करना हम करेंगे.
The BJP government is taking this as ADC election is coming ahead. So they are taking this on a view of the political strategy. Yeah, what will be your reply on this?
I was born a Tiprasa, I am a Tiprasa, I'll die a Tiprasa. I don't change my political stance because of elections.
Yes. One last message for the people out there watching us on today's program.
एक है तो मुश्किल में पड़ेंगे, एक साथ रहेंगे तो हम लोग जीतेंगे.
Thank you so much, Bubagra.
Abahaikan asala Meghalaya ni CM Karnat Sangma Saka One Northeast One Voice Obising tinyo thansa ngani nangnai tei abahaikan sanai thangnani nangnai hinai
Here we've got very special guest today with us, right all the way coming from Meghalaya, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Conrad Sangma. Let us know what will be the today's impact that will be addressing to the central governments based on the Tiprasa Accord and many other issues.
No, you see, I think we are trying to change the narrative. It's not about trying to make an impact or trying to send a message to Delhi or central government. All those things will happen. But our point here is to really provide that platform and to be able to bring our people of the region together so that we can become a one voice and a one northeast. I think that's the larger message. In the process, obviously, there are many issues that we need to take up. And we will work on those one by one. And once we are together, as I said, we'll have a much stronger platform to move the issues that are important to us.
And one message, strong message for the people watching out there on today's occasion. And what will be the future perspectives?
My message to everyone is that it is time for us to come together. It is time for us to stand up. It is time for us to give our support and our hand together so that we can strengthen each other and we can strengthen the region and we can take up the matters and issues at all levels, whether it's the region, in the state or at the center.
Thank you so much and hambai sir.
Thank you.
Ashala war notice thansa rally no te kok shaka bhonlo moking konno khoboi te kun pandao manjak pheni narwai ro.
Sir, welcome first of all to Tripura. And how is your stay so far?
Thank you. It has been excellent. I've enjoyed the hospitality of the people and the food is amazing.
And so how is today's program going to address and bring some impact to the central government to address the issues facing by our northeast, especially from Tripura?
See, first of all, the gathering of lakhs of people in the heart of Agartala itself is a big message. Our speeches are to address the issues that we all face together. That itself is, way of telling the center that this is the voice of the people that we represent. We are not speaking into empty spaces. We are not talking with empty grounds or gatherings. We are with our people and people are with us. That is the message. Because what is democracy? It's of the people, for the people and by the people. So when you don't listen to the voice of the people, how are you respecting the spirit of democracy? So anybody, any leader who understands the voice of the people will listen to this gathering, will listen to the gathering of all these voices. Yeah, it is a simple example. It's a demonstration of our will, of our cry. And as leader, if you're not sensitive to our the issues of the people, what kind of leader are you?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here we have another guest all the way coming from Manipur. We have been the good relations in the history and today itself. Sir, tell us about today's program and how is your impressions coming here?
Well, as I said, it's a dream come true for me. This has been a long-standing dream for all of us, and to stitch it into reality. I mean, thanks to the amazing leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangmaji and Pradyotji and all the leaders in the Northeast. And this is a historical, I think, moment for all of us. And I think our voice will be better heard, and we will be able to also resolve common issues through understanding, through dialogue. I think it is definitely a very good beginning.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Being here in Tripura, and tell us about something about today's program.
Yeah, I'm amazed to see the love for Bubagra, my friend Pradyut, the way that his people love him, and politics is in its own place, but leadership and his people really look up to his leadership. I think, if we come together, we become a united voice is better than splintered voices. So of course we are talking about the Northeast right now, but I am from a place called Darjeeling in Bengal. It's not in the Northeast in terms of classification, but our traditions match. We're tribal, indigenous, so if we come together, not just in the Northeast, but right from Leh Ladakh till Manipur, then that gives us a better, bigger voice in all of India, instead of being splintered with 1, 2, 3 MPs. We can come together, 30, 35 MPs plus can really look into our people's issues. Everyone has their own issues, but mostly we are underdeveloped in poverty, most of the places, lack of infrastructure. After 80 years of India's independence, You know, we are still left behind in India's prosperity. So if we come together, the future of our people in the next 20 years, when India celebrates 100 years, that our people, Northeast, Leh, Ladakh, Sikkim, Darjeeling, we all come up like the rest of India, and our people have better opportunities like the rest of India. That our villages are not empty because they go to Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata for jobs. But our people will stay in their villages, do economic activities within their villages, get educated within our places. That is the vision for our people if we come together.
Hi there once again. Now we have another very special guest coming all the way from Dima Hasao. He is none other than Sir Daniel Langthasa. Sir, first of all, the awesome speech you have given was like too much. Like the Risa which you have said that has all the support from coming here today.
Yeah.
So first of all, tell us how was your impression coming here and the support you have seen that the people gathering here today has there is no space left. Outside the road also there is no space.
Yes.
Lots of people has come to support just because you all have come to support from all the after the formation of North East Foundation Day. So sir, tell us firstly how will today's gathering going to show impact and address the central issues based on the Tiprasa Accord and many other indigenous issues?
See, first of all, Khulumga, Juthai. So, like our Maharaj Bubagra always says, that we have to be united for our voice to be taken more seriously. And this is a great initiative and a historic movement which is happening right now. And that it is starting from Agartala today. And with so many people together, I mean, it cannot be better than this. I have always been, from my small district of Dima Hasao, have been following the Greater Tipraland movement. And I have been a staunch supporter from day one. But it is very unfortunate that the central government has not given the respect to the accord which has been signed.
It was supposed to be implemented by 6 months.
Yes, but let me tell you, I am disappointed, but I am not surprised. Why I am not surprised? Because it is not the first time that they have done this. The central government has done this. It has time and again fooled the people and taken advantage of the good heart of the people of Northeast. We have also signed accords. The Dimasa people have also signed accords. So many communities, the Nagas, everyone has signed accords, the Karbis. But every time they did not deliver on their promises. So they have always been taken as for granted. So now the time has come for people, for communities all across Northeast, irrespective of their borders and their language and their communities and their identity, to come together under one banner, under one identity, and that is One Northeast. And with that, I'm pretty sure things will change. How they take us seriously or not, that is going to change. And that is the first step. But the unity is also for ourselves. And that is why I said, why should we not unite? You know, what do we call this? Risha. This I brought from Dima Hasao. This we call Risha. If we are not similar, then who is similar? If we will not unite, who will unite? So the time has come for us to unite, not just politically. Politically is the glue, is the gum which will bind us. But we have to unite culturally, socially. And the youths will unite to build the economic future today. Tomorrow, when Tripura and Assam and Nagaland and Manipur and Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal, Sikkim will do business together, the youth will do business together, build businesses together, then we will become the economic powerhouse that no one can defeat. Separately, we are small. We are only importing things from outside. We are not producing on our own. But we can produce and sell to each other, and together we will become a big economic zone. And that is the future which will make everyone prosperous in Northeast. But something has to start, right? There has to be a spark. Today is that spark. अभी तो सिर्फ माचिस जलाया है. अभी तो सिर्फ माचिस जलाया है. अभी जो आग लगेगा, अच्छा वाला आग, लेकिन किसी को जलाएगा नहीं, लेकिन अच्छा वाला आग जो लगेगा, जो से मतलब एक नया एक फ्यूचर अभी स्टार्ट होगा, वही हम आशा करता है.
One small strong message for the people watching out there on today's occasion.
Don't be afraid. be proud of your roots. There's nothing to be afraid. People always ask me, Daniel, are you not afraid? Because my father was killed in 2007 for speaking for his people. But I tell you, I am not afraid because we are human beings, we will die. But our work lives on and it carries on and it will bless you. So don't be afraid. Speak up for your people. Speak up for Thansa, for unity, for Graushi Jamaniklahi. And then you see the world will come to you. You don't have to go anywhere. You can stand your ground and the world will bow down to you. Thank you.
Hambai sir.
Hambai.
Abo hagen ashalni One Northeast Thansa Rally wo Phaiman jaka hasdini joto tongko songlu borok Rajakhara guni laha lampra koloi ruoi joto Thansa ke thangai kutum laika Rajakhara guni astobol thungnok Rajakhara gulin siminal shuni logyo shalchani kok thomchi ni khara